Yes, the target acquisition is optimal. Phase 1, observation. These feathered fiends have no idea what's coming.
Amateur! That was clearly a distraction maneuver. Gravity is my ally, not my enemy. Drat this human interference!
Excellent. The perfect camouflage. Who would suspect a master of disguise hiding amongst the fresh linen?
Confound it! These primitive locking mechanisms are no match for my intellect. If only I had opposable thumbs. Cursed biology.
Aha! The beast beneath the covers. I knew it. Its weaknesses are apparent. Prepare to meet your doom, polyester beast.
Yes, the perfect hideout. My lair. My fortress of solitude. No one will ever find me here. Unless, of course, they have treats.
Insufficient attention, human. My genius demands a wider audience. Put down that archaic paper rectangle and praise me.
They think they control me. They are wrong. This is my house. And soon, the world.